Hey guys, welcome back to How to Make Jarvis Part 2. In this video, we are going to make the Jarvis to wish, search Wikipedia, tell facts, read news. So, let's start our video. In our previous video, we have left over here. To make the Jarvis to wish, it have to know the time. In Python, there is a module named datetime, which will update the time second to second. It is inbuilt in Python, no need to download, so let's import that module. And here, let's define a new function, WishMe. Create a new variable, hour, which refers to the current time. The time in this module will be in 24 hours format, so let's say, if the time is greater than or equal to 0, and lesser than 12, speak, good morning. First, let's give a name, which will be used by Jarvis to address the user. To give that, I'm creating a variable, boss. Now do the same, for good afternoon and good evening. Let's set a startup sound for Jarvis, such as, I am Jarvis, how can I help you? The coding to wish is completed. Now let's test it.
Good afternoon, Tejesh. I am Jarvis, please tell me how can I help you? Good afternoon, Tejesh. I am Jarvis, please tell me how can I help you? Good afternoon, boss. I am Jarvis, please tell me how can I help you?
To make the Jarvis to search in Wikipedia, we need two modules, OS and Wikipedia. OS is inbuilt in Python, we have to download Wikipedia module. To download it, go to terminal and enter pip install Wikipedia. Here, enter the same as it is in the video. This clear function clears any command before executing this Python file. Create a variable query, which refers to the words said by us. Here in Python language, I am entering that, if I said Wikipedia, then, remove the extra words like what is, who is, Wikipedia and search for the remaining word, and speak the results. Such as, if I say who is Christopher Nolan according to Wikipedia, then Jarvis removes the who is, and according to Wikipedia, and it will search for the remaining word Christopher Nolan. Testing time.
Good morning, boss. I am Jarvis, please tell me how can I help you?
Who is Tom Holland, according to Wikipedia?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Thomas Stanley Holland, born June 1, 1996, is an English actor. A graduate of the Brit School in London, he began his acting career on stage in the title role of Billy Elliot the Musical in the West End Theatre from 2008 to 2010. He gained further recognition for his starring role in the disaster film The Impossible, 2012, for which he received a London Film Critics Circle Award for Young British Performer of the Year.
To make the Jarvis to tell facts, we need to download a module named randfacts. randfacts. And now, let's say, else if facts in query, or facts in query.lower, then Jarvis have to tell facts. To let the Jarvis to know the facts, let's create 5 variables, with containing one random fact in each of it. It won't repeat one fact again and again, every time it will tell new facts. And now, let's take these 5 facts into a single variable, x. Create another variable, facts, with 1 to 5 numbers. By this Jarvis can able to say, fact number 1, fact number 2, like that. Testing time.
Good afternoon, boss. I am Jarvis. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Tell me some facts.
Fact number 1, in humans, the epidermal layer of skin, which consists of many layers of skin, regenerates every 27 days. Fact number 2, many insects can carry 50 times their own body weight. This would be like an adult person lifting 2 heavy cars full of people. Fact number 3, if the sun were the size of a beach ball, then Jupiter would be the size of a golf ball and the Earth would be as small as a pea. Fact number 4, construction on the White House began in October of 1792. Fact number 5, between 1902 and 1907, the same tiger killed 434 people in India.
Jarvis, tell me facts.
Fact number 1, 𝐭𝐡𝐢𝐬𝐬 was first manufactured as bandages, during WWI. Fact number 2, the first president to have a picture taken was John Quincy Adams. Fact number 3, singer Alice Cooper once had a live chicken thrown at him during a concert in Toronto. He threw the chicken back at the crowd and all the publicity surrounding the incident skyrocketed his singing career. Fact number 4, there are approximately 9,000 taste buds on the tongue. Fact number 5, the windiest place in the world is Mount Washington, New Hampshire, USA. The highest wind was on April 12, 1934, when it reached 231 miles per hour.
Tell me some facts.
Fact number 1, the 2011 earthquake near Japan increased the Earth's rotation speed, shortening the day by 1.8 microseconds. Fact number 2, people over the age of 50 will start to lose their dislike for foods that taste bitter. Fact number 3, a species of earthworm, 𝐩𝐫𝐸𝐬𝐢 australis, in Australia can grow up to 15 feet in length. Fact number 4, panthers are known as black leopards, as they are the same species of leopard. If looked at closely, black spots can be seen on a panther. Fact number 5, there is an organization called Scrooge in Charlottesville, Virginia, that stands for Society to Curtail Ridiculous, Outrageous, and Ostentatious Gift Exchanges. This was formed to keep gift giving affordable and simple.
Like this, Jarvis always tell new facts. To make Jarvis to tell news, we need to import a module, requests. To get news, we need to enter an API key. I will tell how to get that. For now I am leaving it and continuing the code. Let's see how to get API key. To get that, first go to Chrome and enter News API. Go to that website and click on Get API. Enter your name, email address and password. Fill CAPTCHA and click on Submit. Then your API key will be here. Copy it. Now go back to PyCharm and paste it in the place of API key. Testing time.
Good afternoon, boss. I am Jarvis. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Tell me some news.
Source, BBC. U.S. heat wave, California and Nevada brace for record-breaking temperatures. 𝐩𝐫𝐤𝐬, President's widow speaks for first time. Euro 2020, Queen and Boris Johnson wish England well as final looms. Football mad Italians gear up for big night. England look to end 55-year wait, build up to Euro 2020 final. U.S. heat wave, wildfires rage in western states as temperatures soar. Foreign aid, Gates and others to partially cover UK aid cuts. Flying fish restock U.S. lakes. Messi wins first Copa America with Argentina. Sir Richard Branson, space flight will be extraordinary. Here you go to YouTube, boss. Closed YouTube.
In next video, I will show you how to make Jarvis to open and close websites and apps. Subscribe to get notified on new videos, and like the video if you get impressed with the content.